All right, what's up, family? Thank you for tapping in to another episode of the Just Front. We break the law down from a common man's perspective using both solid research and real life encounter. Now, about a month ago, Officer Parks out of Baltimore used his patrol car and attempted to run over a man.
Staying on top of developments surrounding this video going viral tonight, showing a Baltimore City police officer driving aggressively and nearly hitting a person. You saw it there. City Police Commissioner Richard Worley calling it, quote, disturbing and alarming. And it was a scary scene which unfolded yesterday in Park Heights. And as you just saw, that is all caught on video going viral on social media tonight.
And yes, if you're thinking you misheard or misseen what you just saw, not at all. Officer Parks out of Baltimore attempted to run over this man with his patrol car, earning himself the title of Crash Out of the Year. Now, luckily for us, the city of Baltimore has moved swiftly and gave us a complete update. But first, before we get into the update of that case, I have to remind you and show you the original video. Now, I was able to source this from TikTok. We're going to get straight into it.
You ain't even got no reason to stopping him, bro. Hey, yo, walk off.
How did you hit the alley, yo?
Go ahead, Trey. Walk off, bro. He beating. You ain't even got no reason to stop him. Hey, yo, what the f? You gonna hit him with the car? Yo, what the f, bro? Yo, yo. Hey, yo. Come back this way, yo. Yo, eating, bro. Lost his. You crashing it all that.
Yo, this man is a lunatic. He took it upon himself, and if you ask me, to try and take this man's life. Now, note, this guy has a warrant. Sure, he's not an innocent man, but does Officer Parks' actions warrant this type of reaction? He has a warrant for failure to appear on driving without a license. You tell me, does that constitute this man trying to run him over with his car? This is not a violent felon. This is not some chomo in the streets. This isn't a predator. This is simply a guy that has a bench warrant for a failure to appear for driving without a license. Now, his actions, he felt was necessary to try and run him over this car. Thank God that man was there to record the incident. Now, what if there was no one around with a camera? And what if he had ran him over? They would have flipped this whole incident on the guy running, saying he was evading arrest. He was fighting back. And through that, he has succumbed to his injuries. We all know how that go. Now, the department has spoken out and they have put an update out on this incident. Of course, when something goes viral to this extent, the department has to respond because action like these definitely does not fit into policy. Let's get into the update on what they had to say. But first, I'm going to give my opinion as a recap because when we last reviewed this video, whether you saw it on my TikTok or my other YouTube channel, you remember I said that this man needed to be charged with an attempted murder. Nothing else constitutes his actions. This was ridiculous, man. Let's get straight into it.
Caught on camera, apparently trying to hit a person with his patrol car.
Alexa Ashwell was at that announcement earlier today. She joins us now with some of the details. Alexa.
Kai Mary, Baltimore police officer Robert Parks, who is currently suspended without pay from the department, is facing several criminal charges, including second-degree attempted murder.
2 weeks after this cell phone video went viral, the officer behind the wheel, identified by investigators as Baltimore police officer Robert Parks, is off the job and now facing criminal charges.
The charges brought forward in this indictment reflect the seriousness and dangerous nature of the actions we all witnessed in the viral video of Officer Parks driving his vehicle directly at a civilian while on duty.
Baltimore City State's Attorney Ivan Bates announcing Officer Parks has been charged with attempted second-degree murder and reviewing what he says cell phone video and area surveillance captured in North Baltimore back on October 28th.
Officer Robert Parks drove to Wiley Liquors Bar.
In this indictment, investigators say Officer Parks instructed a group of people outside Wiley Liquors Bar to take a lap, and then a short time later attempted to stop a man by the name of Mr. Smith. During today's press conference, Bates confirming he had a misdemeanor warrant out for his arrest. In this indictment, investigators say Officer Parks instructed the man to walk towards him, but the man refused.
Officer Parks proceeded to drive his police cruiser onto a paved driveway directly at the individual and with increasing speed.
Then, in this grassy area, investigators say Officer Parks actually struck the man with his patrol vehicle. The incident captured on this viral video, Fox 45 News talking with the man who recorded it.
On my mind, automatically, the camera is power. So once I pull this out, I know I got him. The police car, fast as coming, ready, hit my man like for no reason.
Then Fox 45 News also questioning the police commissioner.
Best thing we can do is what we've been doing is be transparent. We saw it. We don't like it. We did something about it.
The department confirming this week Officer Parks was now suspended without pay. Now the 5-year veteran of the department facing criminal charges. State's Attorney Bates also on public trust.
When a police officer threatens the safety of those who are sworn to protect, it erodes the crucial trust between the community and law enforcement that is critical to the historic reductions of violent crime in our city.
Mayor Brendan Scott released this statement on the officer's indictment, writing in part, quote, "This officer's actions were unacceptable and completely at odds with how we expect our public servants to act." We'll let you know when Officer Parks is scheduled to appear in court.
Now, there you have the update. You got the update from the city attorney, you got word from the police commissioner, and you also got word from the mayor. And one thing that all three of those guys have in common that they said that these actions were unacceptable. There is nobody that's going to back this man, not the police union, not the mayor, not the department head, or the city attorney. He is on his own. This is not within no levels of training. This man went rogue. He is a lunatic and he does not need to be in a uniform. Now, in case you forgot what we were looking at, I'm going to play that original video one more time for you, just in case that you have some second thoughts on my opinion or theirs. Let's take a look at it again.
I'm gonna hit the alley, yo. Go ahead, Trey. Walk up, yo. He beating. They ain't got no reason to stop him. Hey, yo, what the f? You gonna hit him with the car? Yo, what the f, bro? Yo, yo. Hey, yo. Come back this way, yo. Oh, eating, bro. That's his. You crashing it all that.
Drop in the comments what you think about it. Maybe I'm off. Give me your opinion. Drop it in the comments. But first, make sure you hit a like for the algorithm and subscribe to the channel. Crash out of the year. Crash out of the year. And I don't know what to say other than he gotta go. He gotta go. Now they did charge him with attempted second-degree murder for his actions. I don't know what other outcome he was looking for from doing what he was doing other than taking that man's life. You guys let me know what you think. Drop it in the comments. Hit a like for the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel. Man, and I'll catch you on the next